Hello everyone. Today we will tell you how to make a bearing. First, we will show you something here. We have taken one bearing here, old bearing. This is the 6309. The last digit of every bearing. If you are working in mechanical engineering, so you have a knowledge that the last digit into 5 times, you have to 5 times means 5 into 9, multiply by 9 5. So 5 9 into 45. It means that 45 mm ID of this bearing must be. So now we will start that this is the bearing number, and next is that we have taken that dimension of this thickness, this 25 around. So and we have taken that ID around 45. I told you, and also that OD 100. So now we have make this drawing. So now that 100 and ID 45 and inner ring diameter 62 and outer diameter inner diameter of outer ring 83. Ball 8 number, thickness 25 and ball distance from edge 4.5. How we will make this bearing, I will show here. Now open your Solidworks and go to new. Now parts we have to make this. Now I will explain in a short method. Now open that front and sketch, select and make here one drawing. First we have to choose that line, center line here. Make this is center line. That's okay. Now select one center line vertical also. That okay. Now fully defined, and now make here that one. You can take also that center rectangle here. So now first make one and second make. We can make both same time on a same drawing. We can use now give the dimension what we have seen here, that 183. So now take dimension from here 100. This one from here select 83, not 83, 83 by 2, and also same for this 100 by 2, because we are going to here revolve cut. We will show you today that how we will make the revolve cut. Now for this no issue, if this is going there 62 and 45. 62 upper, 62 means 31. Okay, 31, and this is 22.5, half of your 45. Now your bearing is here, and we have to give in the thickness 25 mm. Same for this we can give, or we can now we will give this same here first. Okay, 25. Same thickness of the bearing now. And now again we will check here that ball 8 number and OD of the ball is 16 and thickness 25, ball distance from the edge is 4.5. We have measured here that if you 4.5 into 2 times, so 9, and we have to subtract from 25, it means it 16. So 16 diameter of our ball. So now go to here, select the center of this and make a circle here, and this is 16 mm. This is a simple way to create one bearing here. And go to here, you can select here that this, you can select this, shift this and shift this, or otherwise you can go one more thing you can do if you want to more accuracy. So you have to check your drawing again, because sometimes somebody cannot explain very well. So now we have to admit here. Also you can calculate with this 41.5 and 31, you have to subtract from here 10.5, it is balance, and you can give the half. So it means that 5.25. You can select the smart dimension again and select this and select this edge. This is 5, this should be 5.25. 5.25. What is 5.25? Now this is okay. Now your drawing is, our drawing is ready. Now we have to subtract that, choose the trim entities. Now trim entities, what I have to do, remove here one, this or this, and this. Now your drawing is ready, outer ring and inner ring, but we did not make same time both. So what I have to do now, we will select this. Select means that we have to save this all items together. First save as outer, save, and now outer ring save first sketch, and save as second sketch as inner ring. Same drawing you can save in ball. Okay. Now we will make the case. Case means that last we have seen here that in bearing, this is, if you see that this is the case. So now we have to make this, ball is there, and now open new again. We have to create one part. So now we make that dimension here and all things. So we should be knowledge of our how much we have to make the one drawing here. We have to check our diagram this, that OD of your inner diameter is 62 and inner ID of your outer diameter 83. The gap was 10.5. That middle section of that 5.25 you have taken. So now we will create one bigger, that we have to add here 10.5 also. So to take the center of your case. So we have to add here. So 10 72.5 we will make that, we have to give we have to give the select your, this is 72.5. This is your case. So now we can move, we can do one more thing. We can select this line, because this is the center. This is the center line. If you want to make this, so now we have to make one, because thickness of that 3 mm should be of your case. So now make big and one small from this center line. Give the dimension, that 72, we have to add here 3 mm, means 74.5. When we will add 3 mm, so it means it will be take 2 mm. Okay, 75.5, 75.5, and for inner you have to subtract from here 3 mm, 69.5, 69.5. That's okay. Now go to the extract. Your ball is 16 mm. So have to extrude 4 mm extra. So you can give the 20 mm to extrude, and you can give that mid plane if you want. No need now. If you want, so no, you can do. Otherwise, no need. Now your ring is ready. So this is the case case side view. So now select again and may go to a normal and make one diagram, one circle here again. For edge construction, you can make the construction also, and give the dimensions. Choose dimension. Give again. The center was 72.5. We have to create one ball here. We have to cut here. So now select this. Okay. Now choose this center and make one diagram, make a circle here and select dimension. Right click, select dimension 16 mm. Now 16 mm is here. Okay, select. Now increase this. You can increase and have to remove this trim half circle and go to feature and revolve cut. Yes. Okay, open. Select this. Not. We have to cut revolve, not extrude. We have to cut. Okay. Now when it will be okay, so it will be cut. You can see now 16 mm has been cut. Now create. We have to make 8 balls. So circular, choose circular pattern. Cut revolve around this. Okay. 8 number already have. So now okay. Now your case is okay, and this part we have to remove. How we will remove this? Select this, press Control, select this, and also select this with Control. Now 3 parts we have, and go to the cell and give that 1.5 we need. Now selection is here. So you can see that 1.5 thickness of this. Now give the some color. Brass if you want, go to the brass for all body. Now you can save now that you can save now, not here, that we have to save here at desktop bearing as case part number 4 as now. Sorry, actually we lost our right. No issue. Now our all we have to open this case. We forgot to make the hole way between them. So now we have to make some hole here also. So select this this surface. Where do you want to make something? So to choose that area you can choose. Now normal tool and go to the center line again. Keep straight. Here we want to make center. Okay. Now have to make this around because this is the 8 point we have made. So here the angle should be 22.5, half of your 45. you have a good knowledge of your geometry, so you know about this, that when you make the 8 points, so difference between the angle 2 to 22.5, and make a one construction also one construction ellipse, your circle for construction base. Just give the same dimensions 72.5. This will be go here, and we have to make here create one hole 2 mm. Select this and give the dimension 2 mm. Now we have to make 8 number of holes, because 8 number already is there. So now circular pattern, choose this, how much we need, that 4 number is here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My graphic card is not good. No, 9, 8. Okay. Now 8 number is here. Now give the, because we want to hole here. So cut, same time you will get cut there. Now, now your case is ready. So now save, and how we will assemble here. So assemble, to make assemble, we can take all parts together, or we can take our outer ring. If you want what that will be good. If you want to fix some relation here, so that go to the origin. First we have to go here, this will be fixed, so go to the float, right click, simple, and fix your float. So float will be, now select origin, open your outer ring again, and press control and select this. So now mat this. So now this is mat. Now we have to again that some parts we have to take here. Inner ring here, mat here. Select both parts here and here, body you can select, mat here. Now select again mat, outer face, and here outer face. So it has been gone. So now this is in center, and again we can insert our ball is. How we will set our ball in this. So I will tell you there here. Select inner ring, open this, and also ball also. Mat here. You can mat, or no need of mat, that it will be itself. Front plane of this, and go to the here. This is the front plane. This is front plane. Control, press, and this, and go to the mat. Here, inner ring, and ball. Where is the ball? Ball is inner ring, and this is the ball. Ball front. Now both are symmetric. And now what I have to do? We have to right plane of this, and also inner ring right plane, control and select. Now okay, ball is gone there, but we have to select this as and ball. Now that is okay. You can see that ball is there. When you rotate, ball will be rotate. Now we have to fix 6 number of ball. So what I have to do? Go to the linear pattern here, circular pattern, and choose this ball, and here in parameter select again, you can select this. Now to ball, how much do you want? 8 number, increase the value, 8 number. Now 8 number ball has been come. Now your bearing is ready. Have to fix only case here now. Your case, we will borrow here case, this is case, and you can rotate little bit here. Now good. To make the case here, so first have to make here, if you want good things, so select outer face here and outer face of this. Now this is in the center, and you have to select this ball, also this segment. Now has gone, sent to come set it. Now case has been made, fix here. And if you want to make case here, no need to take import from there. You can go simple here, and mirror option here, select this, also fold, go to the arrow here, this arrow, we have to select this arrow, and you can see that here one can be has been come. So now your bearing is ready. Have to fix only your pivot. Go to the library, design library, and toolbox. Here that tin will be here. So now have to check here. Then you can open here. Open here. Nut, pin. This is pin, and this is rivet. Which type of rivet you want? You can fix this rivet if you want. So that left hand side window will be appear here. How much side do you want? 2 mm. Okay. Length 5 mm, because 3 per 3 to 3 4.5 something should be. Now that okay, now we can fix here. Go to the mat again, choose mat, select mat, and select this face, and also this concept. Make the not going, don't worry, clear all, close this again, and choose mat again. Sometime problem in the some something is problem, no issue. So now go to the mat again and select this, okay, and select this. Now has been come. Okay, now choose your this face here, this face of rivet, okay, and this now has been gone. Now rivet is there. If you want to make this rivet again 8-piece number, so we will apply same method here. Circular component, choose this, and case remove here, no need of case. Choose this, and around this, what around that you can select this. How number, how much, how many number do you want? So we want 8 number. 8 number. Okay. You can see that. Now 8 number of rivet have been come here. So now your assembly of bearing is ready. Now we made this bearing as per our bearing, old bearing. We mentioned, we take the drawing, we took the drawing, and from our old bearing and made a new bearing. So guys, I think you like this, and you have learned how to make one bearing from your old dimension. So when you need bearing, so you must be take the ID and OD. ID is the 5 times of your last digit of your bearing number. Okay, like thank you, and if you like, so please subscribe and comments me. Now that's so. Thank you very much.